I'm going to do just a little sample of using the Studio Acrylics from Pebeo. It's their modelling paste crackling effect. I'm just going to do it on a couple of little bits of card just to see how we go. Now the first layer you put down is this one, the undercoat. So we have to put that on and then allow it to dry for an hour. So it's probably enough for both of them, if I'm honest. What I'm going to do, I'm going to do this undercoat the same on both sides, but then the top coat, it says you get deeper cracks the thicker you put it on, and thinner where you have it on as a thinner layer. So I want to do one of these thick and one of these thin and just see what the difference is. I think I've probably overdone it a little bit. Let me go and do another one. Okay, we now let that dry. So what I've got here is I've got my pieces of gessoed card that I'd put the base coat of my Crackle paste on, and I've put a bit of stuff on these two. I'm doing, that one was thinner, this one's a medium thickness, and this one I've done as a thicker finish, and then we're going to leave them to see how they dry. So these are my 3 samples now with the Crackle paste on them and dried, and you can see there is a difference. Let's have a little look at this one. This one I did quite thinly, so the cracks that are in there are quite shallow. This was the medium one, and the cracks are a little bit more. And this is the one I put the thicker Crackle paste on, which obviously takes longer to dry, but I've got big chunky cracks in. So that gives you the difference between the 3 different types of thickness of putting the top coat down and how it changes it.